I'm Jordyn Main.
And I'm Jordyn Main.
And together we own Stoney Lonesome Farm in south central Pennsylvania in York County.
Today we're going to make two of our favorite dinner recipes, bacon mushroom pork chops and a very simple pork kebab. For the bacon mushroom pork chops, we're going to start out with the bacon over medium-high heat. We're just going to fry up that bacon. The bacon that we use for this recipe is our own pasture-raised pork bacon. I usually don't use any extra oils with this because the bacon grease is usually enough. Then once the bacon is nice and cooked, I pull it out, keep the grease in there because you're gonna cook the pork chops with the grease. And grab the pork chops. Just keep it really simple. I just season with salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder. And just toss them into your bacon grease. And just make sure you season both sides. And then you just cook this long enough for it to brown on both sides. So once the pork chops are good and brown, we're gonna pull them out. At this point, you can get rid of some of the grease. I usually keep it because if I do get rid of some, I get rid of too much. So then you add in the garlic, let that cook for about 30 seconds or so. And toss in your mushrooms, and these are all from local farms here in Lancaster. And just saute these until they are nice and softened. And go ahead and add the heavy whipping cream. And this is from Apple Valley Creamery. And add in Parmesan cheese. And just let that thicken a little bit. As this thickens, you can dump in your bacon to get those flavors incorporated again. So once that gets nice and creamy, we're gonna move our pork chops back over and cover them in our creamy mushroom bacon sauce. Now that the bacon mushroom pork chops are done, we plated them here with our asparagus from our garden. So it's time to dig in.
Absolutely great. I love that. Bacon. I love mushrooms. Never did like pork chops. Now I like pork chops. So she started making this. Absolutely great. Good job.
I hope you give this recipe a try at home. Thank you, PA Preferred, for having us today.